So what you plan to do with this now, Kyng man? Cause legally, it's back in your hands.
Yeah, but numbers, to tell you the truth, I split between two spirits. Cause right now I start up back the little guest house business because everybody know it's no secret. That your secrets are safe at secrets.
Baddest catchphrase never hear another than.
I tell you,
But you were always a businessman and know how to govern the thing.
Yeah, but sometimes you choose to confide in the wrong team members, man.
No, mankind are some strange species, you know, brother.
Tell me about it.
But I don't think this is something where you have to give up on it. Because just the location, the look on the venue, prime for the right kind of entertainment. So this is the place where they are talk with because of the whole issue with getting it back and legal problem.
Among other things.
Kyng man,
You.
remember say you're my general from long time. Tell me what I want.
Numbers. Suffice it to say, sometimes the most necessary things give the least pleasure.
So like you take care of business.
To tell you the truth, sometimes the only way to kill the cancer is to pull it up from the root.
So the last part of the infection that you sure you're not gonna have nobody else to deal with.
Well, the higher the level, the higher the devil.
Trust your judgment, man. And we have to do what we have to do. But when you have a surface again for pre what go on with the business, because me I do my part, you know. I get the feelings I made it ranking a pre because of your absence.
Let's just say, based on the agreement and respect between Father Mullins, by extension the agency and myself, I gave my word that this would have been tidied in the quietest and tidiest of fashions.
Well, I guess by the sound of things, quiet and tidy already.
You have always been a very perceptive man, you know, Numbers.
Well, there's one piece of news I want to give you. And I'm going to beg you to check with ranking and find out if I did the right thing. When you tell me, say me for run the place, me have all the authority over everything. And I know it's a pimpy my family, but me have to get rid of her. It was not good for business.
Look at it like this, Numbers. You were placed in an executive position. From what you're telling me, and there will be, it will be looked into. But from what you're telling me, and I trust your judgment, you made an executive decision.
Them say blood thicker than water, but just want to know, say, ranking a preach from that standpoint, that it was business, and me still have to protect his business, and by extension, your business. And when it comes on to certain things, me no business.
In order to prove that, just do me one favor. You are the man on the ground. Just keep all your ducks in a row. Make sure you do the right thing. Because right now, I personally cannot be there at this minute.
King man. You say if I run the business, that me I will do.
If I run the business and really run the business, we know business. That easy.
I'd love a view of the place.
Come we go make you show the place. Me invite you. Come make you go there and have a look around. Yeah. So up there, sir.
Hey.